你看我像个多大，80多快90了，多少年没吃过药，没看过病，也不感冒，哪都能去，哪都不疼，病可多了。什么高血压、脑血管啊、心脏病了、关节炎了，没有地儿没有病的。一天老休病假，练那个站桩，你每天练，对，每天早起空腹，不吃东西，练10几年。但后来就练了功练好了，有时候站半个多钟头，有时候站1个钟头。
You may be wondering, why does standing meditation, Zhan Zhuang, bring such remarkable changes? How did it help this 90-year-old grandmother regain her health, even surpassing her physical condition when she was younger? Standing meditation, an ancient practice deeply rooted in Chinese wellness traditions, has been proven effective by countless people. It's not just simple physical exercise. It's integrated with mindfulness, breathwork, and the cultivation of internal energy, helping us restore natural vitality and balance the energy within our bodies. The remarkable benefits of standing meditation: improved sleep quality. Standing meditation helps relax the nervous system and regulate hormones, significantly improving sleep quality. Almost everyone who practices it reports deeper sleep, falling asleep faster, and feeling more refreshed overall. Relieves constipation. Standing meditation has a proven effect on relieving constipation. Many people notice their constipation disappearing after just 2 weeks of practice. By promoting the flow of energy and blood and regulating digestive functions, it quickly restores normal digestive operations. Boosts kidney function and immunity. Standing meditation helps improve kidney function, boosting immunity. Through this practice, particularly with correct breathing and posture, energy flow is directed to stimulate the kidney area, promoting blood flow and detoxification, which strengthens the immune system and helps the body resist illness. Improved blood circulation and cardiovascular health. By regulating the flow of energy and blood, standing meditation enhances circulation and cardiovascular health. It helps lower blood pressure, improve blood viscosity, and ensure oxygen and nutrients are better transported to all parts of the body, helping prevent cardiovascular diseases. Relieves joint pain and increases flexibility. Long-term practice of standing meditation can significantly relieve joint pain, especially for those suffering from arthritis or stiffness. It improves joint mobility, relaxes tense muscles, and increases flexibility, reducing discomfort caused by joint problems. Regulates emotions and reduces stress. Standing meditation not only benefits physical health, but also greatly improves mental health. Through deep breathing and mindfulness, it helps regulate the nervous system, alleviate stress and anxiety, restore emotional balance, and enhance psychological stability. Restores natural energy and vitality. Standing meditation revitalizes the body by stimulating internal energy flow. It enhances the movement of energy throughout the body, helping you feel energized and full of vitality. It's not just a static practice, but one that connects you with natural elements to restore your inner life force, keeping you healthy and full of energy. Why is standing meditation so effective? Standing meditation is a low-intensity, sustained practice. It uses posture and breathing to regulate and unblock the flow of energy and blood within the body. Unlike traditional high-intensity exercise, standing meditation helps the body regain balance, and enhances its self-healing ability through deep relaxation and focus. It's not just about muscle strength, it's about regulating the flow of energy, blood, and the functions of the nervous system and organs, ensuring the body operates in a state of balance and harmony. The healing effects of standing meditation are holistic. It helps optimize various bodily systems, which is why it can relieve constipation, boost immunity, alleviate joint pain, and address a range of health issues. Standing meditation, as a practice deeply embedded in traditional culture, has helped countless people improve their health and quality of life. Whether you're facing physical health issues or mental stress, standing meditation can help you restore your inner balance and strength. Start today by incorporating standing meditation into your life. Not only will it bring health to your body, but also peace to your mind. Begin your practice and witness your own transformation towards better health.